How to update iOS 18.03 beta. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily update your iOS 18.03 beta. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Without any further ado, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is open up your phone settings. And once you open up your settings, you will find all of these options. From here, you just want to head over to General. Once you get to your General section, you will find different options about like your phone's About section, your iPhone storage, software update, and iDrop, and many more. So from here, you just want to head over to your software update and tap on it. And if your automatic update is off, you just want to turn it on and make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or any of your network and just wait for it to load. Once you do that, you can go ahead and turn on the automatic updates and then you will see two options. The first one is if you want to turn off your iOS 18 public beta, yeah, you can set it to off. And if you want to turn it on, you just have to tap on the iOS 18 public beta. Once you do that, you will see this option where you have an option to update right now or update tonight, depending on your choice. So according to your preference, you can set the update date and time. And after that, you will be able to access the iOS 18.03 beta. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.